Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a question that's all too common. How do I find out about a local car accident? Especially in 2025, with technology evolving faster than ever, staying informed has never been easier. Whether you're a curious bystander, a concerned driver, or someone affected by the incident, I'll walk you through simple, effective steps to get the details you need. First off, start with real-time traffic apps. By 2025, apps like Waze or Google Maps have become even smarter with AI integration. They can show live accident reports, traffic delays, and alternative routes right on your phone. Just open the app, zoom into your local area, and look for red flags or accident icons. It's like having a personal traffic detective in your pocket. Next, head to local news sources. Most cities have dedicated news websites or apps that update in real time. For example, check out your local TV station's site or use apps like the BBC News or CNN for regional alerts. In 2025, many of these platforms use AI to push notifications directly to your device based on your location, so you'll get updates almost instantly. Don't forget social media, it's a goldmine for fresh info. Platforms like Twitter, or whatever it's called by then, and community groups on Facebook often have eyewitness accounts and photos. Search for hashtags related to your area, like #LocalAccident2025, and follow verified emergency services for reliable updates. But remember, always verify the info from multiple sources to avoid misinformation. If you need official details, contact local authorities. Most police departments and traffic bureaus have online portals or apps where you can report or inquire about incidents. In 2025, many places offer chatbots powered by AI that can give you immediate responses without waiting on hold. Lastly, for a comprehensive approach, use emergency alert systems. Governments and apps like FEMA's or local equivalents send out notifications for serious accidents. This is crucial for your safety, so make sure your phone settings are turned on for these alerts. In conclusion, staying informed about local car accidents is all about using the right tools quickly and responsibly. Remember, if you're ever involved in an accident, prioritize your safety and seek help first. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments how you stay updated. Drive safe out there. See you next time.